Hello, my name is Josiah Ray, owner and creator of jraystudios.com. I'm going to show you how to install a Myanmar font in Windows 7. So the first thing you need to do is download it. So here I am on this site called MyOrdbok or OrdBook or however you pronounce that. And you can go right in here, do a search, and it's got Myanmar 123, and we want to click the Windows download. I've already downloaded this, and what it's going to do is download a zip file to your computer. So after we extract it, it looks like this. And it's got a whole mess of files in here and an executable. Don't execute it. What we want is this TTF file. So let's click on that, and we're going to right-click and say Copy. Now we need to go to the place in Windows where it stores all of the fonts, and that's underneath the Windows System Fonts folder. So let's go into C, Windows, and Fonts. I apologize, it's Windows Fonts. There's no system. We're not going into system files, just the fonts file. So let's right-click someplace in here, and we're going to say Paste. And it's going to actually pop up with an installation dialog box because it knows you're trying to install a new font on the system. So, just to make sure that that actually worked correctly, let's fire up Word and see if we can select the font. Go to Start menu, type in Word, and open up Word 2007. And now right here, instead of Cabri, we're going to try to select our Myanmar. And there it goes, it automatically selects Myanmar 3. So we have successfully installed the Myanmar font on our computer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, please email me at josiah@jraystudios.com. I'm Josiah Ray.